weekend. So we're glad you're here. I know it's early, but who here is excited about the Disney Springs Flavors of Florida presented by Corksicle?
Hi!
It's Marissa.
And Jared.
And we're the Parkhopbears, and we are at Disney Springs today. Yay. It is Flavors of Florida time.
All right.
Yeah.
At Disney Springs.
Yes.
Can you see Disney Springs? Disney Springs.
So we are at Disney Springs. It's Flavors of Florida time, and they have free culinary demos on select days. I think usually it's Fridays.
Yeah. Friday morning.
Yeah.
9:30, 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, today they have a demonstration by a chef from the Wolfgang Puck restaurant.
Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill here at the Springs.
Yeah, so we're gonna go check it out.
We're gonna check it out. It's I think it's mushroom gnocchi.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Tiva! Come on in, Michael.
Good to see you.
Yeah, there it is. Boom. All right, we got some shade over there if you want to grab some shade before you get into that outdoor kit. I loved it.
Yep.
Do you have a favorite thing on the menu right now?
So hard question.
Yeah,
right?
okay, it's a lot. It's like
really
picking a
hard
favorite
question.
child, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Right, because I truly enjoy all the flavors that Mike has created on our menu, but I would say I always tend to go back to the Austrian chicken wiener schnitzel.
Okay.
You know, to have the marinated tomatoes and dill cucumbers and fingerling potatoes, finished with that breaded fried chicken and a whole grain mustard for blanc sauce. It's just, it's really a treat, and it's delicious.
Wow.
Yeah.
Chef, it's another hard question. I asked the hard questions here at Flavors of Florida.
Putting on the pressure.
A lot of pressure here. You're in the sun, you're in the spotlight. Your favorite dish on the menu?
You know, I can't tell you. It's all great. Listen, I always go back to pasta. Pasta is my go-to. What is great about Wolfgang and what we do in the company is just so diversified. Anything from Asian fusion, they call it California fusion. You know, he brings elements from all over the world. That's where it all comes from.
It does, and like you mentioned, I didn't know there were that many choices of mushrooms, and some of them look beautiful. I heard you say lion's mane.
Oh yeah, that's this guy right here.
This one right here.
Super fortifies and reinforces whatever flavor you're using. And being that we're using mushrooms, we're gonna use a little mushroom stock. So we've got a super hot pan. You want to really give it a nice caramelization and sear. With mushrooms, I don't generally tend to season them off the bat. When you season them off the bat, it kind of pulls all the water out. So then you wind up steaming them instead of caramelizing them. And I run a really nice, I like a lot of nice texture with the sauteing of the mushrooms. All right, keep it going. They're starting to cook down. You get that nice browning factor. Super delicious. Now at this point, when they cook down and you've got the caramelization, now I like to season it up. A little bit of salt.
And how do you know when it's done? Like you said, the caramelization is happening.
You'll see it just start to brown and it'll start to break down a little bit. There's no water. It's got a nice flavor, and I mean it starts to get that smell, that aroma. That in essence, you'll know that it's kind of ready. And then to finish it all off, turn this thing down. Oh, nuts. A lot of cheese.
Cheese makes it good, right?
Cheese makes it great.
You can't have too much cheese.
Kidding me? You make it rain.
Make it rain cheese. Oh, wow. Looks good.
Yeah, I was like, I don't want a whole lot of orange velvet cream. Let me try this.
That kind of looks like a chanterelle mushroom.
Got a little bit of everything.
That's nice.
It's hot too. It's good. So they gave us some freebies at the seminar, or at the demo. It's a clip. It's from Kroger. Kroger's the sponsor of these culinary demos. And then inside it, we've got some wipes and oranges. Lots of oranges. Florida oranges.
Lip balm.
Oh, and lip balm. Nice. Jared's gonna use the oranges for his...
Old fashioned.
Yay!
Thanks, Burger.
Thank you.
All right, so that was the culinary demo by Wolfgang Puck Bar Grill here at the Springs. The mushroom gnocchi, what'd you think?
It was pretty good.
Yeah, we are not mushroom fans, and so that's high praise.
Yeah, for me to even try it is a big deal. But it was good, and it smelled great when he was cooking it. So that was one of the best parts of the demo. And yeah, we also went to one a week ago that was actually by the chef from Morimoto Asia.
Right, Morimoto Asia.
And they made a salad and a drink. So we'll show you a little bit of video from that.
Yeah.
Doesn't happen every day, does it? No. Well, have fun, Bears. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
So the shrimp are 5 minutes, and the soba and the noodles?
Both 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay.
Yes. So, this keyword shrimp. I slice vegetable. This is a Japanese mandarin slicer. Slice like this. Okay. They put in cold water to
Use a yuzu, which is a Japanese lemon,
Okay.
the touch of the taste.
And it's called yuzu.
Yuzu, this give you a more flavor to the orange, and then I make a shiso syrup, which is a Japanese Japanese basil mint syrup.
Good?
The jelly, like sauce or whatever, is great.
It's good.
Yeah,
Sounded good.
that's really good.
Yeah, that was really good as well. We've really been enjoying these culinary demos. You can look it up on, I think they have the registrations on Eventbrite.
Yeah, so registration is through Eventbrite, but they have details on, I think, the park's blog and then other parts of the Disney websites as well.
Yeah, and I think you can even go without registering, but you don't get...
You won't get the
A
wristband
sample.
and you won't get the sample.
So definitely register
through Eventbrite beforehand.
And if you follow Disney Springs on Instagram, they tend to post when they...
Yeah, check their stories too.
Here's the event guide for Flavors of Florida. And you can see which culinary demos are coming up. So they already had the Morimoto Asia one, and the Wolfgang Puck one was today. And then you can see the next ones. We have Eat. There's Summer House one and the Boathouse. Archie wants to go too. Do you want to go to Flavors of Florida, Archie? Yes? Okay. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We do post lots of Disney videos and more, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.